So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can check for updates on your macOS operating system. This is not for apps, this is purely for the operating system. It's fairly simple and easy to do. All you do is click here up in the right top left hand corner where the Apple symbol is, click that, click about this Mac. And you're going to see right here, you're going to see what version of macOS you're on. You can see there's a software update. Just by clicking, you're going to see two buttons at the bottom, System Report and System Update. Just click System Update. And you're going to see it's going to pop up the settings menu. And you're going to see that this current Mac is currently up to date. If it's not up to date, it's going to show you something about like what versions are new, and it's going to allow you to download it and install it. And you can also check this box here, automatically keep my Mac up to date, if you just want your Mac to auto install the updates and etc, things like that. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.